Day 6 of converting this van into a camper van. Previously I installed the vinyl flooring and built a double chair. Today I started by cutting to size inner wall panels for the kitchen unit. I then glued and screwed them into place. Once installed, I added 2 support beams for a shelf and also 2 cupboard doors. I then built a frame for each of the cupboard doors for a nicer finish. Again, these were glued and screwed from the back into place. Once the kitchen unit was built, I moved on to measuring and cutting to size panels for the rear doors out of plywood. When they fit snug onto the doors, I started cutting the cladding to size, which I will paint and attach to the doors. We have chosen a black and light orange or copper theme for this build, so to match the flooring, we have chosen a Georgian medium oak dye colour for our roofing, which we will make with cladding. I then had to lay every component of the van into the conservatory, ready to paint black. This includes the bulkhead, the rear doors, the chair and the kitchen unit. I then put everything into the van, but they are not yet fully installed. Follow for day 7, where we will have a window fitted and we will start the roof cladding and the bed frame.